Spectacular views and an amazing concrete dock with 16 by 46 foot slip and 12 by 32 foot boat slips. This 5-bedroom home is tucked just inside North Buck Creek Cove on a wonderful lot offering views, protection, and limited steps from the house to the dock. Great floor plan offering tons of space and plenty of room for everyone to sleep. Big decks including a huge, screened and covered lower level patio that sits on the water's edge and is truly a spot to enjoy. Seller has put lots of money into concrete work and has the house in great shape. Big retaining walls built, riprap installed and a beautiful lakeside patio poured. Exterior of home and front door are scheduled to be painted end of October. Plenty of parking and a 1.5 car attached garage offering extra storage. The concrete dock with storage/bar area is included as well as 2 boat hoists, wet steps, and dive